Hey there, this is One Up Indie here, and I have a little request from my side because I want to give some control back to you. And in my community tab, you can now, until the end of the month, choose what we're gonna do in June. So June will be the month of Godot, of Unreal, or maybe like some game theory style stuff, mini video essays on pretty cool things which you see in video games, or just well, game maker. So basically one of those four choices, and as it seems the Cult of Godot is leading the pack as it seems. So what could be the first thing? So for example, myth and secret. So for example, if you've seen this illustration here, if you for example type in world tree, which is like really interesting, and that is the tree of mana, the tree of life, and it has multiple meanings. The roots have meanings, the upper part has meanings, and so on. And maybe you have seen that also in a small game, which is like this one here. And here it is kind of transformed into a little bit more than just a tree. It's basically, spoiler alert, hopefully I'm not going to spoil too much, it's a crucible for souls. So it's kind of a recycler, blender, and then you can get energy in and energy out, and then the cycle of life is getting kind of disrupted and so on. And this is kind of beautifully done. So basically this is a crucible. If you don't know what that is, it's just for blending metals, but of course here it's for souls and the energy of souls. So here really quickly, so I would go over these kind of theories like in 3 to 5 minutes. So short stuff, short and sweet, and then you can of course get your own impressions into that one. But of course I can go and do some Unreal tutorials, the basic ones, like beginner friendly stuff, because let's face it, Unreal is not too easy to use, at least from most people and from my side. But of course this is the industry standard for the really professionals, just for video games, for commercials, for movie studios. So here this is the money maker of all of them. And of course we can go into the Cult of Godot, as it seems this one is leading. Why do I take that into consideration? Just be brutally honest. So let's say for the GMTK Game Jam of 2020, Unity of course is always king in this kind of regard. GameMaker had like 17%, which was pretty dope, and then Godot 11%, and now let's go 2025, and GameMaker is just 9%, and Godot rose to 13%. Of course here Unity is still king, but still this is showing who's in decline and who is the cool new kid on the block, which is definitely not GameMaker as it seems. It's Godot. Just to be brutally honest on that part. So kind of interesting how times have changed when there was no competition, and then the new contender is just dashing past by you and just leaving you into the dust. But of course GameMaker is still relevant, but it's losing relevancy. So here once again, if they don't catch this up, hard times for them. And of course here the last option is just like, hey dude, I don't want your myth and secrets or in video games. This is boring stuff. Unreal is exploding my PC. I'm not following the Cult of Godot. I just want you to do what you did before, the game maker stuff, and then this is good enough for me. Once again, here I please ask you for your vote. This is once again just for a month, but if I see like, hey, this is going in a good direction, because I would like to grow this channel one day after, 7 years. That would be kind of nice. Alrighty, so hopefully not too much from my side. Just, please go into the community tab and just give you like one click what you would like to see in the next month. And hey, maybe you actually like it. Alrighty, that was it then from my side. Have a good one. One Up Indie.